Hey there everyone, welcome back to Toko's Reviews. Today we're going to do a overall update review of the Oculus Quest 2. As you guys have seen my previous video of by the ending of last year, I did a review on the Oculus Quest 2. That's done with. I send that back to the provider. Now I got my own. The good thing about this, it's been out for about 3-4 months now, and the cool thing that might make some of you guys interested out there, that might make you go try to get one, even though it's sold out everywhere, but you can still try to order it. Just got to have some patience, wait for 2-3 weeks, even a month to get one of these. And if you do get one, I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Because it's been out for a couple of months, as you guys know, with any device that's good quality like this one, the Oculus Quest 2, this has some pretty good updates and some new firmwares. And what those updates and firmware does, it benefits us as the consumer, because it's going to give you some features that the other VRs don't have, but this one does. So we're going to talk a little bit about that after the unboxing of the package that was shipped from me by Oculus. So check it out. The Oculus Quest 2. Let's rip this bad boy up. Alright, I know there's a little piece down there, but I'm good with that. Ta-ta! That's gone. So now, how do we open this? And once that's done, I guess we just flip this over and do the shake. That should just come right up. There you go. Okay, so shake that up, and then we're going to jump into this. We're going to check it out. Wow. That is very interesting. So we got the controllers right here. I'll bring this one out so you guys could get a good look at this in depth detail. Okay, and there's a little thing here you pull out right there. You pull that out when you first use it so you can enable the battery to work. So, and it does feel very good. And I truly think this is probably the best VR controllers you can get as of right now, before anyone else comes out with some better ones. Usually that's what happens in the tech world, right? And then the box, let's check out the box. Okay, so it's got the stickers, okay, and your charger and your USB-C. Okay, so that's that. I'm not going to be needing any of those for now. And then we're going to check out the Oculus itself. Okay, get out, baby, come on. Oh, you just hold it from here and just pull it out. Okay, so that's how it comes. This is to extend that, so if you have glasses, guys, that's what this is for. If you want to use this, like you have a bigger nose, laugh out loud. Anyway, so this is everything. So this is how it looks. And I believe the USB-C is here, or either here, but okay, so that's the power button, as you can see right there, and the USB-C is here. So what I did to the previous one I've had, when I did that first review, when they provided me one, what I would do, I would cut a little hole right here to so you can get into the USB-C, so you don't get your hands on this and get it dirty, because once people start playing with this, it gets kind of messed up. And that's real talk, though. That's from experience. So I guess that's what's in the box. There's nothing else. Well built box, though. Good on Facebook for making this box very nice. And right now, I guess that's it. Keep in mind, if you have an account, that's what you need to do, is log into your account, and then just go in from there and download whatever game you downloaded previously. I got the Saber Beat, or Beat Saber. I got that, and that's a very good game. So right now we're going to jump into the overall update review on the Oculus Quest 2. So that's the unboxing. Let's go. Let's go. So Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, announced that the Oculus Quest 2 will be released around October with some pretty cool hardware. And that was pretty much last year of 2020. Since the Oculus Quest 2's been out, a lot has changed as far as updates and firmware updates. You also notice on the far left, the Oculus Quest 2 controller is bigger and it feels better in your hands. So pretty much here, once you get your Oculus Quest 2, if you're new or you're just upgrading to the Oculus Quest 2, once you get your box, when you open it, this is what you expect to be inside: the controller, battery, a visor for your glasses to extend, and also the charging cable and the charging brick. Once you get your Oculus Quest 2 headset situated, make sure you tighten the back up as shown here by pulling on the sides, and also make sure you get the proper link cable if you're going to be using it for PC. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and set up your proximity around, and then go ahead and make an account. And if you're new, and if you're an old user, just log into your old account. All the other games should be compatible, and you should just be right into your Oculus Quest 2. So one of my favorite game, guys, is Beat Saber. But since the Oculus Quest 2 has been out, a lot of games have evolved. And I mean, these games are out and they're really pushing the VRs. And it's not just Oculus, but it's all VRs. And it's getting better and better as we go. And as you guys know, with all these games, the developers, the hardware that was made for it, and the coding, there's a lot of work behind the curtains that we don't know that's going on with these VRs. There's a lot of testing throughout years and years of trials and just trying to perfect the VR world. And now we up to the point where we have the Oculus Quest 2, and with the new processor, it's just totally amazing. And as far as Facebook taking over the Oculus, they've done a good job, and hopefully in the future that they would come out with something better, like 4K instead of almost 4K, but yeah, 4K. So guys, just before I wrap it up, I want to show you a chart here of what game performance that you get when you get the Oculus Quest 2. There's also a new update that makes the Oculus Quest a native to these refresh rate: 90 Hertz, 72 Hertz, and 60 Hertz. You can control how much hertz you want on your Oculus Quest 2 depending on how you play your games. And it is totally amazing, and these are the hardware that makes this possible. So guys, this is the last part that I wanted to talk about, and this is what makes if you guys are enjoying the Oculus Quest 2 or pretty much any VR, this is the hardware that makes these things possible. And there's some things here that I do want to point out. The first thing is the pixel per eye. The Oculus Quest 2 does rock a 1832 by 1920. The only difference about this VR, the Oculus Quest 2, that it's one entire panel instead of two. And you get the true 1832 by 1920 resolution pixel per eye when you look through it. Also, with one of the latest update through Facebook or Oculus, they updated their system. Now these hertz become native. Now you can get 90 Hertz, 72 Hertz, and also up to 60 Hertz, guys, believe it or not, depending on the style of game that you like playing. And these are true Hertz, and it's just amazing. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is the battery life. They did offer about 2.5 hours, and I've seen people go up to 3. I myself went up to 3 on my previous Oculus Quest 2 review when it first came out. So that's a good job. There's also, just to point out, I think there's like a adapter that you can extend the battery to make it longer than that, which is pretty cool. It's like $100 and something bucks. But the processor is the one here that's important. This is the Oculus Quest 2 is rocking the new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, and for something that's pushing this much resolution and this much bandwidth, you do need something that's fast, and good on them for doing that. This also has 6 gigs of RAM, and there's 2 versions of capacity. When you buy these, guys, if you're playing PC games, maybe you can go for the 64 gigabyte, but I went for the 256 gigabyte. I'm never going to use that. I do play PC games. I just got it, but because I feel more is better. So having said that, guys, thank you for always following me, Doko's Reviews, and I really appreciate you guys. If you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or any comments, drop it down below, and hope I'll get back to you ASAP. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And like always, guys, enjoy your VR. Enjoy whatever VR you have. Just enjoy it because it's just going to get better from here. And I hope you guys have a good year, 2021. And let's move forward to enjoying our life. And hopefully we'll pass all these struggles that everyone are facing. And like always, all fatos from Doko's Reviews. Peace.